Imagine turning your love for books into an $80,000 side hustle, all while working from your cozy reading nook. Sounds like a bibliophile's dream, right? Well, buckle up, book lovers, because I'm about to reveal the secret recipe for cooking up a deliciously profitable bookmark business that's taking Etsy by storm. Welcome to the world of AI-powered bookmark design, where your creativity meets cutting-edge technology to create page markers that readers can't resist. No art degree? No problem. AI's got your back, and I've got the step-by-step guide to turn you into a bookmark mogul. Here's how to launch your bookmark empire. Fire up Mid-Journey, our AI design wizard. Feed it prompts like whimsical forest animals or Art Deco patterns, and watch the magic happen. Take those AI masterpieces and arrange them into bookmark-worthy layouts using Canva or Photoshop. Pro tip, create multi-bookmark layouts to maximize your printing efficiency. Choose your paper wisely. Cardstock for durability, recycled paper for eco-conscious readers, or even seed paper for bookmarks that grow into plants. Print your designs. Invest in a quality printer or partner with a local print shop for professional results. Add that special touch. Laminate for longevity, add tassels for flair, or use scented inks for an aromatic reading experience. Set up your Etsy shop. Use keywords like unique bookmarks, reader gifts, and literary accessories to boost your visibility. Price strategically. Start around $3 to $5 per bookmark or $10 to $15 for sets, adjusting based on your costs and market demand. Market like a pro. Showcase your bookmarks on Instagram and TikTok. Use hashtags like #BookTok and #Bookstagram to reach your target audience. Offer personalization. Let customers add names or favorite quotes for that extra special touch. Create themed collections. Think spooky season reads or beach book essentials to capitalize on seasonal trends. Remember, this isn't just about selling bookmarks. It's about crafting reading experiences. Each bookmark is a tiny piece of art that enhances the joy of reading. So are you ready to turn the page on your 9 to 5 and write a new chapter in your entrepreneurial story? Your bookmark business awaits, and trust me, this is one tale you don't want to put down. Let's make some literary magic.